Handmade Tagliatelle, straight from Italy. What you need: a pair of chopsticks to move them around, let them be aired, a drop of olive oil, some salt and a sieve. Now when the water is boiling, you are ready to put your tagliatelle in the water. Alright, it's boiling. Some olive oil to prevent the pasta from sticking together while it's cooking, a handful of salt, and your pasta is ready to swim in the hot water. Now, chopstick is not exactly an Italian tool, but it's good, efficient. We let it boil for 3 minutes. Test it. It's ready. Just sieve. You use it for noodles in Hong Kong. And this is noodles. And you put it in your dish. Good olive oil. Just a tiny bit. A little of good olive oil is much better than a lot of not good olive oil. Okay, truffle sauce, ready-made. Ready-made truffle sauce. Before we used olive oil, what is a good olive oil? It's cold pressed. The first juice of the olives that are cold pressed. That is good olive oil, and it's rare. It's very rare to find, but you do find it in Hong Kong. Okay. And your truffle tagliatelle are ready to eat. Take 2 forks, spread the sauce gently until you see it's evenly joined almost every thread of tagliatelle, and you do it again. This will be typically enough for 3 people.